video today, I'm going to be recommending 3 life-changing lotions if you're looking to get your skin looking its best, if you're struggling with hyperpigmentation, dark spots, all of those unpleasant things on your skin, and you're looking for lotions. I've tailored down to the best 3 for you, so definitely keep on watching. My channel. If this is your first time of seeing my face, my name is Dikan and I film skincare videos, beauty videos, and also lifestyle content. So if that is something that you would like, then definitely make sure that you subscribe and that your notification bell is turned on for whenever I post a video. And hey, my returning subscribers, thank you for tuning back in today. You guys know you have my heart. I appreciate you. I love you guys so much. So in today's video, I'm going to be recommending top lotions to get you getting your skin to look its best. Now, I've recommended some exfoliating lotions on this channel, some lightening lotions, some this lotions, some that lotions, and now I'm just going to tailor it down to the best 3 exfoliating lotions for your skin. If you're struggling with hyperpigmentation, you're struggling with bumpy skin, struggling with a rough patch on your skin, white spots, dark spots, anything, then these lotions will get your skin looking its best with consistent use. Now, without further ado, let me get on with recommending my very first on the list for getting you a beautiful skin, and that is the Aveeno Tone and Texture Lotion. I'm going to pop it on the screen so you see the one that I'm talking about. That lotion is great. It has a lot of great testimonies for people that have used it before. Now, that lotion contains 4% natural PHA, which is a gentle and mild form of exfoliator for the skin. It is also formulated with probiotic oats, which also helps with the exfoliation on the body, and also pro vitamin B3, which helps in nourishing your skin back to life. Now, these 3 ingredients tied together would give you a gentle exfoliation on your skin, as well as hydrating and moisturizing your skin at the same time, specifically for dry skin and sensitive skin. Now, because of its exfoliating properties, this lotion would help to remove buildup on the skin and also smoothing rough and dry skin while moisturizing your skin and just bringing your skin back to life. You know, one thing exfoliating lotions would do for you? They would definitely soften your skin because they take off all that dead skin cells off your skin, revealing better and radiant skin. Now, while there's a lot of exfoliating lotions, for this one lotion, I love it because it is mild and gentle on the skin, would suit dry and sensitive skin, also non-comedogenic, meaning that it will not clog your pores, and also formulated without parabens, fragrance, and dye. So if that is something that you are critical about or something that your skin reacts to, then this lotion is definitely a good one for you. With this lotion, in like 2 weeks to a month, you should see visible improvement on your skin. Yeah, the Aveeno Tone and Texture Daily Renewing Lotion is your best bet to getting your skin looking radiant, youthful, and just getting the best out of your skin. Now, the next lotion I want to recommend for getting your skin looking its best is the Alpha Skincare Renewal Body Lotion, and this one is also an exfoliating lotion that contains 12% AHA, and I think the AHA present in this lotion is glycolic acid. Now, glycolic acid is great for combating hyperpigmentation and just brightening your skin. Glycolic acid, in my opinion, is one of the top exfoliating acids for the skin. The Alpha Skincare Renewal Body Lotion is specifically formulated with optimal balance of 12% glycolic alpha hydroxy acid and a pH level of 4, great for the skin. This one has a powerful anti-aging formula that will just help reveal younger and more radiant skin. With this lotion, you could experience great results like the reduction of fine line and wrinkles. It also would lift away dead skin cells on the skin, of course, because it is an exfoliating lotion, to reveal a more healthy and glowy skin. And now, because it's exfoliating your skin, of course, it will get rid of bumpy skin and your skin would feel smoother and your skin would be more even over time. It is also parabens and fragrance free, so if that is something that your skin is sensitive to, then this is still a great lotion for you. But I have to say that with glycolic acid, if your skin is really sensitive, you might want to patch test this particular lotion to make sure it is safe for you. Another one that I would like to recommend that I keep side by side the Alpha Skincare Renewal Body Lotion is the 11 Village Factory AHA 12% AHA lotion. I'm going to pop it on the screen. That is one that I specifically love. It's from a Korean brand. I don't really talk about that one one much because it's not available everywhere, but I'm going to find links and leave it in the description, so definitely check it out. So if you cannot get your hands on the Alpha Skincare one, then look to getting the 11 Village Factory one. It is also great, also has 12% glycolic acid for the skin, so it's pretty much the same thing with this one. Now moving on to the last lotion I'll be recommending that would get the life of your skin together is the Amlactin Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Now this one is also an exfoliating lotion that contains 12% lactic acid. It gently exfoliates the skin to boost the skin's natural renewal process. Now lactic acid is a more gentle acid on the skin than glycolic acid. Now this lotion is a 2-in-1. Obviously it's an exfoliating lotion and also a moisturizing lotion, which is great for the skin. That is because exfoliating acids can tend to be drying for the skin, so you want your exfoliating acids to come in a moisturizing lotion. That way your skin keeps its balance. Now this lotion is non-greasy, fragrance free, paraben free as well, so if your skin is sensitive you can definitely get away with using this lotion. Now the Amlactin lotion would help to smoothen and soften your skin. It would also help to retain your skin's brightness, would also moisturize your skin to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And this particular lotion is also said to attract and seal in moisture on your skin. For the Amlactin lotion there is two, and one has a green cover and like a green outlook to the bottle, and I'm going to put it on the screen. That one contains 12% lactic acid, and there is one with a blue cover and a bluish look for the bottle, and that one contains 15% lactic acid. Now this would depend on your personal preference. You could go for any of this lotion. Obviously the one with the blue cover has higher percentage of lactic acid, meaning that the exfoliating effect would be higher with that one, but nevertheless it's pretty much the same thing for me in my opinion. And I'm also going to pop up the price. It's quite practical as well. It comes in various sizes. There is a 7.9 oz bottle, there is a 14.1 oz bottle, there's also a travel size of 2 oz. So I'll definitely leave links in the description. Now this video is not sponsored in any ways, but I am affiliated with these links, so if you do order with any of the links in my description, you're supporting me in a way because I get a tiny bit of commission, so please do that for your girl. And yeah, these are the lotions I wanted to mention in this video. I wanted to keep it short and sweet. These lotions will get your skin looking its best with consistent use. Like I said, if you're struggling with hyperpigmentation, rough and bumpy skin, dark spot, white spots and anything, then these lotions will help you looking your best. Also strawberry skin, like what some people would also call chicken skin, this lotion would help just get rid of all those issues on your skin, all those impurities that you don't want to deal with, and just help you get better skin with consistent use. Now note that all these lotions mentioned in this video, they are not miracle performing lotions, but they do their best to getting your skin right. So make sure you stay patient with your lotions or with your routine, and also use sunscreen of course during the day to make sure that your results are protected. And that would be what I have to share with you in this video today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're not subscribed by now, definitely make sure that you're subscribed. If you like more short recommendations from me like this, just like 3 products in a video, please thumbs up this video to let me know that you enjoyed this content, and I'll film more like this for you. Thank you so much for watching. As usual, I wish you guys a beautiful, perfect and luscious skin, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah.